When you look at the #1 cause of accidental death here and statewide, it's drug overdoses. And so the mandate for a police department is to rescue people from that harm. I'm Brandon Del Pozo, the Chief of Police of Burlington, Vermont. I'm originally from Brooklyn, and before this job, I was a cop in New York City.
We are not going to arrest our way out of this issue, and so this police department really embodies that. I'm Jackie Corbley. I am the Opioid Policy Manager for the City of Burlington. My role is really to be an idea person around what do we need to do to step out of the box? What treatment do we not have in our community that we might need to have? And how to get those individuals that are surfacing, looking for help, those connections. We as a country are in an epidemic, and there's going to need to be a multi-pronged approach to this.
So in the fall of 2016, we pulled together a group of community leaders. Our goal is to reduce morbidity and mortality in the opioid crisis here in the county. We have all of these folks in silos and different agencies working on the opioid crisis, scarcity of resources at work as well. But for us to really, #1, figure out the way forward, and #2, hold ourselves accountable.
It's a policy, data, people initiative. What we need to do to set policy to address the initiative. We talk about the data, and the data supports the work that we're doing and looking to do. And we also talk about human beings that have been affected by this epidemic and fatal overdoses. As a community, we really personalize those deaths.
One of the things I've come to see about policing is that we do it better when we broaden our scope of partners. We have a epidemiologist/biostatistician who works right on the other side of the wall of my office. I have a policy analyst. We have lots of non-sworn civilian employees who bring in expertise that cops just don't have. Policing intersects with every other problem in society: poverty, racism, lack of opportunity, and just regular old conflicts about how to use public space, whether it's like having a protest or reading a book on a park bench. We're there to broker all of these things, but if we expect to do it ourselves with just what we bring to the table with our equipment belt and what's in our mind, we're not going to do a good job of that. The mandate to save lives is always going to rest with the police department. But if we say, despite that, we're not going to go for help in the areas where we need it, I mean, we're just not doing our job if that's our outlook.